Anyway, to be continued opening this box. It's just that I had no more storage left. So, anyway, I got me some Cam Chancellor. Wait, what? I should be excited. Cam Chancellor. He gonna be getting me those picks. Andrew Ellington, whatever his name is. Brandon Marshall. Jonathan Stewart. Who's this dude? Blue chip. Okay. Oh, never mind. Richard Perman. Julian Edelman. Ted Ginn Jr. Devonta Freeman. Andrew Johnson. Whatever his name was. Canal Davis. Kenny Bell. Patrick Peterson. What's this here? CJ Spiller. Oh, I already got a good running back though. Zach Ertz, tight end. They said there's like one good elite person basically. Torrey Smith, Jordan Reed, Dez Bryant. Dez Bryant! I got the Dez Bryant! This is a beast pack. Y'all need to get this pack. Daniel Hunter. Right now. Riley Cooper. Yeah, I think this is the last pack. The last pack is always the best. Always the best. Always. Oh, and then, yeah, I had one of these draft picks. Oh. Nelson Cloyer, wide receiver, went to the Eagles. Round 1, 20th overall. Beast. Some might be way lucky. Blake Sims. They said the best person's in the back. Arian Foster. Oh, that's okay. That was a different card. Sorry, guys. Jordan Matthews. What's this one? Oh, round 1, drafted 6th overall actually, to the Jets, and it is Leonard Williams. Matt Fort. What am I at? Jason Witten. My team is gonna be a beast. Greg Olsen. Richard Sherman. Richard. Said the Jeremy Curley, whatever his name was. Jamal Charles. Whatever, yeah. Oh, what is this? Odell Beckham Jr. He goes on all night to find the dreams so long. Everybody ever wonder they'll see Sunday. Alright, be sure to check these out at Target. My team's gonna be a beast. Peace.